Hey you guys, what's going on? Wanted to just pop on real quick and share with you guys a couple of thoughts I had as I'm waiting for Brady. We're hanging out in the car and we are gonna go to the dump. Anyway, so really just wanted to just jump on real quickly because I'm reading this book and it was given to me by a friend. And I just learned something and I wanted to share and just sort of like jump right in so that maybe today you could use this tip. And I'm going to pay attention to this tip too because it's fire. So I think the first thing is wherever you are in your journey, right? Whether it's health, whether it's trying to refrain from a substance, whether you are looking to improve anything, right? In yourself, you feel funky, right? There's always a moment where our brain gives us a clue, okay? And so I want you to think about any time, maybe during your day, where you sort of are in this mental thoughtfulness, and in that mental thoughtfulness, what is it about what you're thinking that may be contradictory? Because that's so fire, you guys. I remember when I was highly addicted to alcohol and it was something that I couldn't stop, couldn't control, didn't understand why I had gotten so out of control. And Phil just dropped the soda water. Oh God. Okay. Couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. Like, why was this not ever improving? And it's in those moments of just like me being absolutely fed up with how I was treating my body that I realized, like, wait a minute, like what this cognitive dissonance is essentially is when in those moments of thought you have two contradictory things and you can't explain why. And this is where I think the tip comes in. So throughout your day, as you're going about your day, what are you sort of feeling tension over? And if there's tension, then think about what your thoughts are, and is there maybe a sort of thing like opposites of like your mind thinking two things. I think that's really where we can just sort of identify like where our tension is coming from, which is amazing, eye-opening, worth it, because your mind is telling you things that maybe we're not paying attention to, which is amazing. So when I was highly addicted to alcohol in my journey, I was highly addicted, didn't realize I was causing myself harm, the people around me harm. And I've come to terms with it, and I'm really sort of trying to see. And also these little things apply to everything, right? Anything that you're struggling over, right? So where is there tension in your life, in your thoughts? Is there opposite thought patterns where it's like you need to be doing two things at once, and that's what causes tension? And that's what's amazing. If you can identify that sort of difference in your mind and what your thoughts are, then you can be like, okay, wait a minute, so I'm doing this, but I really need to be doing that. So how do I make that work? And that's the pattern we want to sort of start to dive into when we're trying to change our habits. And that's sort of what happened with me when I realized that I needed to detach from alcohol. Anyway, I hope that is helpful. I hope that inspires you to think about how you're thinking today. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and we'll see you guys later. Happy Saturday.